Okay, welcome back. What we want to look at is the understanding of electrical supply and distribution systems. Now, whether you are doing the 2365, 2357, 5357, this principle still applies. And for some of you, you would have found that we did distribution of supplies the other day for the 2365. And you were given quite a large number of handouts as well. Now, what I'm looking at here is for you to be able to look at these questions and answer those questions using the handout as well as an additional learning tool. Okay. Now here we have multi-choice questions basically. Okay. And understanding electrical supplies. Okay. Sorry about that. Understand electrical supply and distribution systems. Okay. Multi-choice questions. Now, power sources for generating electricity. Why are we being encouraged to use renewable fuel sources? Now, obviously, you'll need to select this from the choice given, and you need to select the correct answer from the choice given. Now, you have handouts which you have received prior to this. If you haven't got those handouts, then you need to look up the information on the internet using power sources of generation. Okay, and you'll find that it comes up with quite a lot of information, solar panels, etc. And remember that we're now looking at trying to preserve the environment, so take that into account. Okay. Sorry, again, it's only my sweetie paper making noise. Okay, now which one of the list below is a renewable fuel source? Now you have this information, so if you put the information into the internet or do a search, what energy is renewable, it will give you quite a lot of information. The idea then is to select that information and make it your own. Okay. Which of the list below is a non-renewable fuel source? And simply take an answer from there. I will not be giving you the answer on this occasion. This is for you to do, and this is for you to try and find out the information and do some research of your own. Acquire knowledge by finding out, by applying your own method of learning. Use it. Okay. Now, what is a disadvantage of solar power? Obviously, there are some disadvantages to solar power, etc. But again, I'm not going to tell you the answer here. You need to look this up for yourself, do a little bit of groundwork, do some research, acquire knowledge. What is a disadvantage of nuclear power? Again, you do the groundwork for that and research for yourselves, and you'll find that where you have handouts being given, you'll find the information is already in that text. All you have to do is to look it up, read the text from start to finish, and you'll find you have all the answers to the questions asked. That is not a difficult thing for you to be doing. Okay. Batteries come in two main types. Basically, maybe they come in black and red, I have no idea. But again, look back at the information given. The cathode on a battery is what? It could be both, I have no idea. It could be neither. But again, look up the information. Look at the handouts you've been given. Do some research on batteries, basically. If you then have any doubt, simply search cathode on Google, and it will tell you exactly what the information is and what the answer is. What does CHP system give you? Now, obviously, it could give you cold and hot power, or it could give you cold and hot water. such could be the case, but again, it is for you to find out based on research and the information given to you. It is already priorly written, and it is a matter for you to establish the requirements that you're looking for. This enables you to apply your own system or method of learning, and it allows you to adapt it to your own style. Session 2, power generation. How many coils or winding does a generator have? Maybe it has 4. I have no idea at this point in time, but again, that is for you to find out based on the information you have been given, the handouts you have read, the illustration and PowerPoints we have gone through on the board. That's it. That only applies if I've had you for lessons, okay? But for those, if I haven't had you for lessons, then you need to do some research. What does each winding or coil produce? What are the colors of the windings? Now again, here, I'm purely providing you with a set of questions that you will need to answer, okay? What voltage power generally distributed to local substations? Again, look it up, do some research. Look at the submission grid, and you'll find that these diagrams are provided for you free of charge. Draw them out, acquire that knowledge for yourself. Where is the primary switchgear? We spoke about this in class the other day. I gave you handouts, we went through it on PowerPoints. Now, if you're unfortunate enough not to have me for classes, then do some research. Type it into Google, find out. It will tell you exactly what you need to know. What are load centers? Again, find out what they are. In step-down transformers, the start point is connected to the what point? In three-phase 4-wire supply, what is the 4th wire? Now, does the magnetic field in the primary winding shown flow clockwise or anti-clockwise? Again, similarly, ask the question. Look up the diagrams, find the information for yourselves. You have handouts, if you're lucky. If not, do it by research. There's no reason why you cannot answer these questions. Okay. Which one of the following is not a type of loss from a transformer? It could be weight loss. I mean, the transformer might suddenly become less heavy. You might have lost weight due to the fact that it has been overworked. Or maybe it was going down to the gym too often and it lost a bit of weight, got fitter. Excuse me, sorry. What is a disadvantage of an auto transformer? Okay, decide for yourself. Look at it. And if you're fortunate enough, you would have had it given to you by handout. Okay. Now, what is the primary side of a voltage transformer rated at? Now, if you're looking at a current transformer, now you can find out that information as well from the handouts, or you can find it out from by research. Okay, that would seem to be it from me for now. Okay, thank you. Now, I would expect you to answer those questions, and I would like you to show me your answers in due course. Okay, so don't think you're just going to sit down there and do nothing. Find the answers, and I will get back to you for you to show me that you have actually answered the questions and you've found the information required. Okay, I'm just going back just to make sure we have everything in. Nothing has been missed out. Okay. Now remember, you can slow this down yourselves and pause the video so you can see all the information at your own pace. Okay. Okay, I think that's about it for now. Thank you. Let's check that I've finished and bring it down to a close. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.